Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Regional Democratic Alliance, bakantob ya ka United Democratic Party, bat ka Hill States People's Democratic Party. Kalaong bakan sedang ya ka jingalap election, nakabenta ukertong UDP na mauplang na do kasngibaar. Habapai siya mauplang ka UDP kala penyeng de urang yale kai football ba paunam ka jela ba deiru ukun jo MLA balaklat no ba Eskison usamla Eugene Son lengdo banya aireng ha ke election Shiteng Samoi. Habakren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingalang UMLA ka HSPDP uba Renik ton lengdo tongkhar ulaong ba ka RDA kala Ïatreilang Baroh ki election Shiteng Samoi kum haranikor bat shela. Uba tongkhar ulaong ru baka sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hapo ka jingalam ka National People's Party kalashim yaki senjam ban penben yau pud usam bat ka Assam. Ulaong ru baka sorkar MDA kamshim nakan randien naka kamram ban penben yakamat kabla Shiteng daki paus nam halor upud usam. Ulaya ru baka sorkar kalathawi ki committee ban pet yakamat halor upud usam bat khmi lenti baka nika senjam balashim daka sorkar kan yo so jong ka jingjam.
An RDA meeting which we have attended from both the parties, HSPDP and UDP, and we have discussed about this by-election. So, as we have already given the statement from both the parties that we will be supporting the candidate of UDP at Mauplang. So today in the RDA also, we have again reconfirmed that as an RDA, we will wholeheartedly supporting the candidate of UDP, Master Eugene Son Lengdo. Also, we have discussed about the election at Rajabala, even though HSPP have not discussed in the last CEC, but here in RDA, we have all agreed that since we have the candidate from UDP, which is a part of RDA, so from RDA side, we have also decided to support the candidate of UDP from Rajabala. We will see whether some of us from RDA, whether we will be able to join the campaign over there. But we have supported and we want to tell to people in the state of Meghalaya that from RDA, we have decided to support UDP candidate at Rajabala. When it comes about the election here in Maurangkereng, since both the party we don't have candidate, so officially we will not be able to give any statement because both parties, UDP and HSPDP, we don't have a candidate for this election at Maurangkereng. So officially we will not be able to give any statement on this, even though you understand that we have a friend in the government, NPP, and they have their candidate, very strong candidate. So even though we are not able to say anything officially from RDA, but of course we would love to see if the candidate of our friend, partner in MDA, could win this election from Maurangkereng. We will be happy for that. Isutnat begitu balik Ilekshon. Ke RDA hi ngidang yang melon ke Ïatreilang. Ïatreilang ke Ilekshon Baroh berada di by election. Kaptame hakawide bat Renik, hakawide bat ka Shela, ya ke bangil Ïatreilang hi nado komusim bat nila yo so ke job. Hakili election. Di mata ke election ko taru kaju komusim juga Ïatreilang. Nila yo dia keren mata mentan haka RDA bagi Ïatreilang bat ngin dia sedang bat campaign nado lasai kasngihi. Oi haji sai la di bani kenduk kam suai kene ni nak tahu jo kejing ya tengkok jo ki program yang semula ke kenduk RDA Renik kalian juga artiling parti ngila air ke jong ki statement bangin kesan be yo kandidat jong ke UDP aku de bat ka mofla hak ba ka RDA ni Ïatreilang ka ba nadu saya ka singi ngin Ïatreilang campaign bat kesan bat kesan pau pa ba ke kesan jongi ke HSPDP yo kandidat jong ke UDP maru be jong ka RDA kaju hi kemusim lang ngila banlet ning ngila banlet tehnre kaju hi kemusim ba nomor bodon kandidat jong ka UDP kepada ke bentai ke RDA ngila ya Ïatreilang bagi kersan lang hantai raja balar baca kini light league election ya kamaro kenang pede nomor bana kaling jong ke UDP kelam set up kandidat nagling ke HSP ngi kelam don kandidat tinggi kelam kerani bat ngimdan ai ruban ong ya ka mar kenang nomor ba kelam kandidat nagling ke RDA apa jo ke parti ki manifesto ya ke parti ke UDP kalau don ila ke jong ke manifesto bat ngiyang lang ke ju ngiyang lang kata ke manifesto ban Ïatreilang long serious hi ban shimi ki steps la teteng kilong ke bae andre kene sokar jungi ka kelam kita ban persiang wadlai don kiji penting balik persiang yo sakta da kumne sakta da kantai hendri kabadai nam tak interest juga state kali kasukar NDA jongi kamshin utakai ban le kata te de kata ko tom na ko tidak mention ni kabadai berupur usam tinggal sipkia hadu kata-kata but lamba kini ki committee kini ki regional committees yang kita constitute da state kini committee kala sipkia Baroh kini committee ban penong ki jingalang ban kenduk berkibru ban kamtam ban lek ya ka site inspection jointly apa dengan jong ka asam bat ka mekalia ya ka bakal conduct ka joint inspection tinggi quality bakadon ka kamdon ke seiso na kene ka inisiatif ya ka bala simanta quality bakadon back ka seiso ka ba on sala ban penbek no yo put usam la kam la ban long bangin ong 100% ndrei quality bahkan nom slam than ya ka bangin yo i yo so na ka jingjok baki bobon kisnong on sala ban penbek na ha ka bedi kena kijing yo put usam officially nginom don statement ni ai nak lengkar di handai kijing di perlok susu hi bakadon kijing di perlok la kalong na kanong kalian la kalong na kalian ka bangin don lang sarkar ke NPP gri perlok jungi ka sarkar te nginom don ban kran officially na kalian ka RDA nomor bangim don kandidat bandai badon nak HSP te ka UDP ka kesan bandai badon nak UDP ngin kesan officially te handai habang ngim don kandidat officially nginom la banong ya ka bede ka mor kena te handai kita kejadi perlok padi sutu hi kata kadon kejadi perlok ka bangin nom la banlen kadon keji sisa hak bagi day perlok bat bandolong ka balak perlok kini ko ni yo ka ya ka